Hello students, I am Monica Gupta from MA International School, Nagaon, Kota. Today we are going to start your next unit, which is simplification. You have studied in your previous classes also how to solve the simplification, how to solve different signs in a single question. Let's start with the rule, which is D mass. D mass means you have to start with the division, then with the multiplication, then with the addition, and then with the subtraction. Like you have to follow the rule, which is D mass. You have to first solve the division, you then have to solve multiplication, then addition, and then the subtraction. Suppose we have a question 3 1 upon 2 plus 2 2 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 16 multiplied by 2 1 upon 2 divided by 2. In this question you have to first solve the division. You use the D mass rule. Which rule you have to use? D mass rule, in which first you have to solve the division, or first we will change this fraction into improper fraction, which is 3 multiplied by 2 6 plus 1 7 upon 2, 7 multiplied by 2 14 plus 2 16 upon 7, multiply by 14 upon 16, multiply by 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2, and divided by 2. Now you have to solve the division sign you have to first solve. Now 7 upon 2 plus 16 upon 7 multiply by 14 upon 16 multiply by 5 upon 2. Now you have to do the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator goes in the denominator's place and denominator goes in the numerator place. So 5 upon 2 multiply by 2 comes at the denominator's place and 1 comes at the numerator's place. Suppose it also has 1. So 1 goes at the numerator place and 2 comes into denominator place. When we cut this number, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. 7 cut by this 7, 16 cut by this 7, we are left with 7 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. 7 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. When we take the LCM of 2, we got the 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 into 7, 7 plus, because there is a sign of plus, we use the sign plus. 2 multiplied by 2, 1, 1 into 5, 5, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12 upon 2. When we cut or when we divide 12 with the 2, when we cut 2 with the 12, we got 6, 2, 6 are 12. So your answer is 6. You have to solve this equation, you have to simplify this with the rule, which is D mass. If there is no bracket, there is no bar, then you have to use the rule D mass. यूज ऑफ ब्रैकेट, व्हेन देयर इज अ ब्रैकेट, तो आपको क्या करना होता है, सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना होता है, बार सॉल्व करना होता है. देन यू विल यूज बॉड मास, विच इज B फॉर ब्रैकेट, O फॉर O, D फॉर डिविजन, M फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, A फॉर एडिशन एंड S फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. बॉड मास जब हमारे पास ब्रैकेट भी होता है, ऑफ भी होता है एंड बार भी होता है. किसी इक्वेशन को, किसी क्वेश्चन को हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है जिसमें ब्रैकेट भी है और बार भी है, ऑफ भी है, तो हम कौन सा रूल अप्लाई करते हैं, विच इज बॉड मास. इट मीन सबसे पहले हम क्या सॉल्व करेंगे, ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे. लाइक वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन 40 डिवाइडेड बाय देन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस 6 माइनस 2 बार 6 2 पे है प्लस 5 देन ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड 5. ब्रैकेट भी 3 टाइप्स के होते हैं, लार्ज ब्रैकेट, स्मॉल ब्रैकेट, कर्व ब्रैकेट. देन 40 डिवाइडेड. नाउ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. अगर सिर्फ डी मास होता तो सबसे पहले क्या सॉल्व होता है, डिविजन. बट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. 1 प्लस यू हैव टू सॉल्व द बार 6 माइनस 2. आपको सबसे पहले बार सॉल्व करना है. 6 माइनस 2 विच इज 4. इट मीन्स 1 प्लस 4 ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस 5. नाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. नाउ 40 divided by 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5. Now we got 40 divided by 5 plus 5. Now you can use the property which is D mass. It means first is division, you have to solve first division. 40 divided by 5 is 8. When we divide 40 with the 5, we got the question 8 plus 5. When we add 8 plus 5, we got the answer 3. Okay, question number second. If we solve a question with a bracket, now 24 plus big bracket, then small bracket, curved bracket, then small bracket, 6 divided by 3 minus 1, small bracket close plus 5, curved bracket divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Now you have to use the rule which is BOD mass. First you have to solve the bracket, then you have to solve the off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Now 24 plus, when you solve the bracket, in bracket what will you do, you have to first do the division. Bracket में हमें क्या करना है, division. When you divide 6 divided by 3, we got 2, 2 minus 1 bracket close plus 5 again bracket close divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Next 24 plus 2 minus 1 1 plus 5 bracket close divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. You have to write the same. Now 24 plus, when you solve the bracket 1 plus 5 we got 6. Now remove the bracket because we solved the bracket. 24 plus 6 divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Now you have to solve the of because you already solved the bracket. Now you have to solve the of. 24 plus 6 divided by 6. Now how do you get 6? 3 of 2. Of means multiply both the numbers of. Like 3 multiplied by 2 we got 6 minus 3 into 7. By solving of we got 6. Now 24 plus 6 divided by 6. Again Demar's property, you have to first divide. 6 divided by 6 we got 1 minus 3 into 7. Solving division. Now next 24 plus 2 minus 21. बाय सॉल्विंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन. लुक हमने डिवीजन किया, डीमार्स प्रॉपर्टी से डिवीजन के बाद कौन सी स्टेप आएगी? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो जब डिवीजन किया नेक्स्ट स्टेप 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. So we got 24 plus 1 minus 21. When we multiply 3 multiply by 7, we got 21 by solving multiplication. Now 24 plus 1, why do we add first? Because Demar's property first multiplication के बाद हमें क्या करना होगा? Which is addition. Then 24 plus 1 which is 25 minus 21. Now solving addition followed by subtraction. हमने addition किया. Now next property is subtraction. When we subtract 21 from 25, we got answer 4. So when you simplify using this statement or this question, you got the answer 4 using BODMAS rule. Thank you.